Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Gracefully Curled, where I will be bringing you videos on hair, beauty, and lifestyle weekly. So I decided to try out the shingling method. If you aren't a part of the natural hair community and you aren't already familiar, shingling basically means you use a leave-in conditioner, curling cream, or a gel to separate and define each individual curls. It's supposed to give you maximum curl definition, minimize frizz, and give you bouncy, elongated curls. If you want to know if this worked for me, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I did shampoo and deep condition my hair. So right now I don't have any products in my hair. The first thing I'm going to do is apply the Curl and Style Milk by Shea Moisture. After I do that, then I'm going to add the Extreme Wet Line Gel. So with the shingling method, the goal is to make sure that you get the most definition by smoothing your product into each individual strand. With this technique, I did notice that I had less tangles and less frizz, which is always a good thing with curly hair. Once that was done, this is how my hair looks before I sit up under my hooded dryer. It was very, very defined. There's both sides in my flat head. And this is the next morning. This is the shake test. Look, if there's no body when I shake it, then I know it's a problem. And at this point, I did not trust this process at all. But I did not give up because I did not come this far to give up. So I went ahead and grabbed my hair pick. After I picked my hair, I did indeed get the results that I was looking for. I would absolutely try this technique again in the future. I thought it was very beautiful because I did eventually get the volume that I was aiming for. But look at that definition. Like, it is so pretty. Oh, look at that. That's how it's supposed to look. That's how your hair is supposed to look. Defined, but still have body. Oh, look at that hair flip. Girl, come on. So I do thank you all for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next